Not all popular subwoofers live up to the hype. Many are promoted heavily through flashy specs, inflated power ratings, and sleek designs, but real-world performance often falls short. If you're planning a car audio build, here are 5 overhyped subwoofers that might disappoint, and why you should think twice before buying them. The Kicker CompC is a go-to entry-level sub for many first-time buyers. While it's affordable and widely available, its output and durability are limited. Rated at just 300 watts RMS, it's easy to overpower, and it distorts quickly when pushed. Despite the Kicker branding, the CompC doesn't deliver the bass depth or build quality the brand is known for. The Planet Audio AC12D looks like a powerhouse on paper with a massive 1800 watt peak power rating, but in practice, it struggles to handle even half of that. The build quality is low and failure rates are high under daily use. It's marketed for high power, but the performance is closer to entry-level at best, making it one of the most misleading products in its class. The Skar Audio SDR12 is heavily praised online for its affordability and loud output, but it's not without problems. It's extremely power-hungry, has a tendency to overheat, and often requires a custom enclosure to perform well. Many users report issues with long-term durability, and despite its popularity, it's not ideal for users who want a sub that lasts. The Boss CX122 is another subwoofer that overpromises and underdelivers. While it's priced to sell, it features cheap materials, weak sound output, and limited tuning flexibility. It may add bass to a stock system, but it lacks clarity, punch, and reliability. It's not a good match for upgraded systems or anyone expecting quality low-end performance. The JBL Club WS1200 is a shallow mount subwoofer that trades depth for convenience. While it fits in tight spaces, the low-end output is minimal and its efficiency is lacking. It struggles to produce real sub-bass, especially in larger vehicles. For its price, there are other shallow options that offer stronger performance and better sound tuning. In conclusion, just because a subwoofer is popular or marketed aggressively doesn't mean it's the best choice. These 5 options are all overhyped and often underwhelm when installed. Do your research, match your gear properly, and avoid falling for inflated specs.